2. Okay, come with me, please. Here is the table. Thank you. The menus. Thank you. What would you like for drink? Water, please. Me too. Okay. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Fine too. Here you are.
Thank
you.
What would you like for a starter?
Nachos, please.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you. And the main courses?
Today is the day without main courses.
Ah, okay. I pick up this and this. Thank you. What would you like from dessert?
Rice with meat, please.
Me too. Okay. Very nice. Here is a rice with milk. Pick one. This for you and this for you. It's homemade and is the specialty of the chefs. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Water? No, please. Okay. And the toilet?
Go straight ahead, turn right, and you will find the toilet.
Okay, thank you.
The bill, please.
One moment.
Can you put me water, please?
Yes. Here is the bill. Thank you. How much? 34.60. Ooh. Thank you. Okay. You can put the second coat. Okay. Here you are. Oh, thank you. Thank you for you and for you. And
Yes.
for the 2 elves, a flower.
Thank you.
Thank you and come another day. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.